Hello there.
Hi.
Today we're going to have pita pocket pizzas using pita bread. We're going to show you closer, but we just got a pack of 4 pitas, low fat, 90 calories each. Like, we care about that. Do we care about that?
Yeah, of course we do.
Yeah. And I'm going to have a good one with pizza sauce and pepperoni and cheese and sausage. And she's going to have a...
Good one.
Oh.
I'm going to use this Alfredo sauce.
White pizza
to make a white pizza. Some broccoli, which I just ran through the microwave so it's nice and soft. And then we're going to put spices on it, of course.
So we're going to cut these pockets open, right? I never made this, but I was thinking about it because we had flatbread pizza last week, and I thought it was a pita to begin with.
Did you mention that?
Yeah, sausage.
The mozzarella is going to be on mine, but the sausage is just going to be on his.
So now I'm going to split this carefully, just enough to get my ingredients in there. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, just a little, because I don't want it to cook out.
All right, here's a closer shot. Wait, let me cut mine. Do you want your own knife? So we could work together.
Okay.
You could also just cut it in half, like this, right, and open it. I think that's how they do it at a pizzeria when they take our idea.
Yeah.
Just spell my name right, that's all. Gotta be careful. I wonder how they make them hollow inside. The flatbread hollower. Pocket, see? You do yours already?
I'm working on it.
Pita pocket.
Pita pocket. Now we have a pocket.
I'm gonna open mine a little more.
Then
would it be smart just to cut it in half and have 2 openings?
I'm not going to do it that way, but you could.
There's my pocket. I'm going to put some pizza sauce inside.
I'm going to put my Alfredo sauce inside.
It's a mess already. Okay. Watch us as a team. Make the good one and the good one. A couple spoons in there. Scatter it around, and I'm going to squish it a little bit. Should put a camera in there, huh? We never made this before. Yeah. Ooh, messy.
I'm spreading that sauce around. I don't want it to cook out, though.
Yeah, and I don't want mine to.
I don't want too much.
See what I'm doing there? Spreading it around inside about 3 spoons of sauce.
So I kind of did the same thing here with the white sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's getting a little crack in it.
A little more sauce. Yeah, watch mine bubble out. Buble.
Then I'm going to put the broccoli inside. And
I'm going to add cheese to mine first. Mozzarella cheese. This is fun to do with your kids. Or your grandma. Put it in, shake it around.
I'm making a big mess here.
Yeah, making a mess.
Well, ready to clean it up.
And shake it down, see? Shake it down. It's in there. Push that around with my knife. Now, maybe the second time we do these, they'll be neater and we'll figure we did something wrong. Maybe. Maybe not.
Don't forget, the cheese will spread out after it starts.
And slice the pepperoni.
I guess you thought that was enough cheese.
Me or you? Pepperoni. Toss them down inside. You're done with yours already, are you?
No, I'm not. I need the cheese back.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was trying to say.
You think you're going to cut it in half when you eat it?
I don't know about that.
If you do, you should cut it in half to start with.
Well, mine is getting a little crack in this
Yeah, me
surface.
too. So we're lifting the lid up.
So I'm going to add some seasonings now. I'm going to add
they're getting cracked.
oregano. It'll seal up with the cheese, though.
Oh, okay. Then I'm going in further.
But I'm adding the seasonings here. A little easy. Do you want some
Yeah, I'll take some
oregano?
of that since I got the roof flipped on this.
Little Gonna use a little of this.
You can put that on the outside too. We can melt cheese on top too.
Yeah, but
Imagine that.
if that's what you want. Here. You want some of this? Garlic powder?
Whoa!
Let's
Sausages. And open it up and toss in a handful. Yeah, it got messy, didn't it? Put them up there and shake them down. Look at this mess.
Okay, let's get the tray. Slow down. It'll be good. You're making all good stuff in there.
Push them down there.
Tray?
I'm gonna put some cheese on top. I'll seal up the cracks with my cheese. See? What do you think of that? No? I don't mind if it's crunchy on top. Crunchy cheese. Oh, we were gonna use
You
this.
better use the tray then. You're
we were
gonna
use
put
this
cheese on
parchment
top.
paper.
Yeah, okay.
Or should we use a tray?
Yep.
Are they both gonna fit?
I think we can wedge them on there, but I think we're smarter to use a tray so the cheese doesn't run down in the oven. If you're gonna put cheese on top.
This tray.
You can put that parchment on the tray.
Ah, who's this who's? You know.
I think it's easy to see.
I think it would have been a lot simpler if we cut them in half, held it open, and put them inside. But since it's the first time we're doing it like this. The
So,
toaster oven's preheated to 450.
all right, let's get it in.
We'll put them in. Go ahead. Don't burn yourself.
Oh, we got a tray in there now.
Oh, the rack. Let me get the rack out.
I can
Because I
put
thought I was going to put them right in there.
I can put it in the bottom.
Another one in the middle for the pizza.
There we go.
Nice. How long? There's 8 minutes left on here.
Let's see what happens
See
in
what happens for 8 minutes, right? It's gonna be good. Either way, it's gonna be good.
I'm gonna clean up the table so we can sit
Oh,
down and
okay.
eat as soon as it comes out.
That's nice of you. Take a peek inside. Oh, you should smell it though. It smells so good. See the cheese on top of mine is melting. Getting crunchy. Nice. The 8 minutes is up. And I felt them and they're real crunchy. So get them out of there.
I got it. I got it.
Careful. Put them down there. Let's see them. Oh, yeah.
Oh, they look nice.
Oh yeah, they look good, huh?
Yeah, you got a good view of that?
Yeah.
Look at their
Put
cheesy.
anything in there, right? It reminds
Oh,
me of
yeah.
like a meat pie or something.
Yeah, whatever you like.
Time to eat. Spatula? Spatula?
I got the spatula. Here comes yours.
Oh, good.
Look at that.
Nice. Crunchy, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, remember, it's a pizza. She got a white pizza.
Here comes mine.
All right.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Looks great.
Time to give them a taste.
Bring a knife so we can cut them when you come.
Oh, see? I told you we should cut them, right?
Oh, you mean we could bite it like this?
Yeah.
I think I would like to cut it.
Now let's think, since this is the first time we made them, if we would cut them to begin with, we'd each have a pocket, like a little pita bowl kind of thing, you know? Am I too high?
I think we're too high.
Never too high on Friday with a pizza pocket in front of you.
Come on.
You want to cut it this or with that, or?
Just give me this. I'm gonna cut this one right where it's
alright.
cracked a little bit. And we can make
Maybe-
a couple pieces out of this.
Let me go a little higher with this.
Look at that cheesy broccoli. Oh,
That's the way to do it.
and the white sauce in there. Give yourself a little piece like this. So it
Give
doesn't-
myself a piece like this. Let's take a picture for our thumbnail. Pita pizza pocket. He smiles, everybody. Look at the steam coming out of there. See if
Yeah.
it's crunchy. Oh. Pizza sauce. But you got white pizza. That's good, huh?
I got the white sauce. Look at that. Look at that creaminess. Boy, that Got crunchy and nice.
What a great idea.
I love broccoli pizza.
Like I said in the beginning, we made flatbread pizzas, which were really good and convenient and easy, right? And not many carbs, really, right?
Right. This is a nice thing you can make for a group of people. You know, a couple of white broccoli, a couple of pepperoni, or whatever you like. That's good. Huh.
And I sprinkled garlic on top of mine, and that got kind of toasted, which I love.
Beautiful.
It was 34 degrees this morning. Darn.
Very good idea.
Thank you. And I don't mind if Little Caesar steals it, but spell my name right. Remember Eddie's Pizza
Oh, yeah.
down in Indiana? I made a crustless pizza, and he put that on his menu, and he called it a Mamaneria. And he retired, and I think he sold the business, I'm not sure, but it's still on the menu.
Was a good result. Yeah.
With no carbs, right? With no crust?
What did he use for the crust? Cheese.
A pan. Like a pie tin.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you put whatever you want in your pizza, cheese, sauce, meat if you want.
Yeah.
The Mamaneria.
That was a good invention.
Say what you want, but spell my name right. Yummy. You want some of mine, don't you? Look at that skinny thing. Look at this manly thing.
This is
Lady
nice.
pizza.
This is good. I like the white sauce.
Get to the meat of it. Look at that.
Hot.
Delicious.
Well, the other thing is if you cut these in half or in strips, you can try different types. You can have some with pepperoni, some with sausage, some without,
yeah.
some with broccoli.
Anchovies.
Oh, what a nice piece of, look at that hot piece of broccoli. Oh,
There's the flatbread, right? We still have... No, that's the pita. All right. We keep that in the refrigerator, I forget. Once we open it.
I never did.
I don't know. You like that leaf blower I had? Did you see that yet? My new leaf blower. Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, you were having fun with that yesterday.
Crunchy and delicious. And flavorful. Oh, you never saw the movie Stand By Me?
No.
No, you sure?
Why? Do you want to watch it?
Because we're going to watch it, yeah.
Okay. Dawn, get ready. Stand by me.
We were looking for our movie last night, and Stand By Me was on there, on Netflix. And Dawn saw it already, her sister. We always watch movies with her sister. And she didn't see it, but I think he probably had to. It's from like the 80s. But that's good. I know you heard the song, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know if the song is in the movie, is it?
I don't know, because I didn't see it. Sounded like a trick question, didn't it?
It's hard to find nice, good, new movies that aren't so predictable, you know, the new ones. Whoa. Oh. You feel lucky today.
Oh, I feel lucky when you buy the tickets.
Or you can win $100,000.
Look, I'm going to show you different ways to look at this. I cut it on an angle. And then you can see all the cheese and broccoli and
Yeah.
white sauce. Oh,
We
yummy.
used to get a white pizza from LaBelle's down the road.
Would you
Remember
like
that?
to try this one? No problem. I'm not giving it away if you don't want it. Oh.
Man, so good. Again, I hate to eat in front of you and chew and all that, but that's what you're here for. You're eating with us, right? Sitting right across the table from us. Are you making this?
Wow.
What did you say? You can make a cheesesteak like this,
I
right?
said, if yeah, we can make cheesesteak pita and put them in the toaster oven.
So I wonder if somebody didn't do that already, or maybe they did, and maybe I heard it while I was asleep. But I never saw it. Pockets. Little
Cheesesteak.
Caesars make something weird like that.
Are we going to rub these off?
Sure. You like to?
I'd like to. Okay.
Chipotle. I got so many corrections on that.
I guess you did, because he said it wrong.
I even got a voice correction. I'll let you hear it. You can hear yourself. Listen. I'm not on Facebook very often, but when I go there, I have messages. Listen.
Okay, so it's called Chipotle. Brian and I live near a whole bunch here in California.
And I said,
Well, thank you very much.
thank you, Kathy Taylor and Brian.
That's good info.
Okay, so it's called Chipotle. Brian and I live near a whole bunch here in California.
Thank you. It is a good flavor. We used to get the peppers in a can, and I made pulled pork and I put that in there. Remember?
Yeah.
It is a good flavor.
Too. They were hot ones.
And my Tabasco sauce is chipotle flavored. Chipotle. Chipotle.
I hope,
Worcestershire.
I hope he remembers to say it the way you just told us.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I like saying it. I don't care how I say it, really.
He likes to be
Get everybody
funny.
wound up. But I got a lot of written corrections, too. Spelled out phonetically.
That's good. Good
And
info.
thank you for that.
Yeah, thanks for the $5.
You can keep it.
Thank you.
When I bought this, the lady who was alongside of me scratching hers off. She said, "Oh, that's part of the winner because I just bought the one before that." I said, "I hope so. Thank you." It's like when you walk away from a slot machine and the next guy pulls it and he wins. Come on.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Hey, try making this. It's
Yeah,
really
it's
good.
so delicious.
Especially the white ones
You
with
have
the broccoli.
to.
Oh,
Or if you like meat, you could do that. Or just plain cheese.
still steaming.
You could put 3 or 4 cheeses in there. And I think it'd be a little handier if we cut it in half and it was about that size to start. But I loved it. I don't care if I made a little mess on top. It's not that bad, really.
I put a lot of garlic in here.
$5. You could buy another one then. They're fancy, aren't they? All right, thanks for eating with us again. We're so happy you're here. Don't forget to like, share with all your family and friends,
And make a pizza.
and subscribe. And check Kathy's channel.
Check it out. See you soon.
Bye-bye. We love you. I didn't forget you. Bye. I already messed one up, didn't I? This is really delicious.
Sure is.
Toodaloo. You're still here.
Bye.